Number 6, you're going to set up and solve a system of equation based on this real world scenario. You sell small and large candles at a craft fair. You collect $144 selling a total of 28 candles. How many of each candle did you sell? Well, here we have to set up a system of equation. Okay, and the two types of equation. So the first equation is always going to be the dollar amount that we have. So that's what we're going to sell. So that's our selling equation. Our second equation is always going to be the physical number or the amount equation. All right. So let's take a look. What are the two things, first of all, we are selling? Let's look at the nouns. So the two things we're selling is small and large candle. So let's make S equals small candle. And then let's make blue the large candle. L is equal to large candle. All right. So we are trying to sell 28 total candles. So here it says 28 total candles, right? So here the amount is 28. We want to sell 28 of them. And what are we selling? Well, we're selling small candles plus our large candles. So that is our amount equation. 28 is equal to S plus L. Now let's set up our dollar amount. Well, here it says it is $6 each. So this is $6 each for the large one right here. So it is $6 each for the large, so 6L. Then we have the small one here, which is the $4. So that's 4L. We add these together and we saw that we have to sold, let's see, it says sold a total of 144. So this one would be 144 is equal to 4L plus 6L. Okay, so those are your two equations. These are your two equations that you actually have to solve for now. So I'm going to bring it down here. All right, so we have it here. Now we can actually solve for it. Okay, all right, I line it up like a system. This is very interesting. Notice that to solve for it, I have to use a system. But notice that this is let's see, this is 4L and, this is S. This is supposed to be an S. 4S. This was supposed to be a 4S for the small. Okay, all right. So now we can solve. Notice that there is a 4S here and an S here. So what I'm going to do is multiply by 4 to the, I'm going to multiply by -4. Okay, here, let me move it over so we could have more room. All right, so I'm going to multiply this by -4. All right, so the bottom equation, -4 times 28, that gets you -112 is equal to -4S, just multiplying, distributing, plus -4L. The top remains the same. 144 is equal to 4S plus 6L. Now I'm going to add like normal. 144 plus -112. This gets you 32. Bring down the equal sign. 4S and -4S cancels. 6L plus -4L becomes 2L. Divide 2 to both sides. You get 16 is equal to L. So you sold 16 large candles, but you need to know how many small candles that you sold. So let's plug it back into the equation. 28 candles is equal to small plus L. We know we sold 16 large candles. So let's take out the large here and we put the value here of 16. Minus 16 to both sides, you get 12 is equal to S. So here we said that we sold 12 small candles. So there you go. You have to set up the system, then you have to solve the system.